Hello guys, this is Rupan Raj and welcome back to Laravel tutorials. In my previous video I have shown how to use seeders and how to randomly generate names and city names, country names and whatever it is. In my previous video you can go back and see if you like. And in this video I am going to show a simple technique which is provided by Laravel to generate pagination in your table or list, whatever it is. And here you can see there are let's say there are more than 25 or 30 items in the customer table, but I don't want to make this table grow as long as possible. But I mean, because it's not a good habit to put all the details in a big table and you let the user to scroll down and see all the details. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the function called paginate, which is provided by Laravel, to restrict the list of customers in the table, and I'm going to have a kind of a pagination option to navigate to check the other customers in the list. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tweak some functions here. Actually here I have a function to show all the customers. So here what I'm doing is I'm returning all the customers from the table, so that's why we have a big list here. Instead of all, instead of the function all, I'm going to change this to paginate. And to the paginate function I need to specify a parameter how many customers I need to show in a single page. Let's say we are going to show only 5 customers once in the once in the table with the pagination option, and so that I'm going to use 5. And we need to have the small UI component for navigating from one page to other page. And it's even easier in Laravel. What you need to do is you just go to this file. I have this HTML file here for this table, and right after the table, what I'm going to specify is I'm going to open the curly brackets, which is recognized by Laravel Blade engine. And actually here I have the customers, the list of customers. I'm using the for each loop to show all the customers. But now what I'm going to do is customers, and I'm going to use the function called links. So what this links function will do is it will generate the links and the UI component for pagination. So I saved both of the files and I'm going to refresh the page now. So now you can see here the big table is squashed, and now we are seeing only the first 5 customers. And here we got a new component for pagination. So there were around 30 customers maybe, so it chunked all the chunked the total 30 customers into 5, and it put all the the 30 customers into 5 different pages. So you can see here, if you navigate from one page to other page, you can see the next customers. And if you want to change the attribute from 5 to 7 or 8, whatever number you like, let's say I'm going to choose 8. I'm going to refresh the page, so it's automatically modified the UI component, and everything is dynamic here. So you can check it here. And in the last page we have only one customer, and here let's say I'm going to delete this customer, and you can see here it's updated. Now if you go to third one, you will get the remaining customers. And this is a simple way of implementing pagination in your application using the Laravel. And yeah, that's all guys. This is what I wanted to show in this video. And if you like this video, you can give a thumbs up to this video, and you can do subscribe to my channel, and see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.